In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grammarly editor, specifically the online or web version, to check and improve your writing step by step. Let's dive right into the process. The first thing you'll need to do is to open your web browser and navigate to the Grammarly website by typing in https://app.grammarly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Grammarly account. If you don't have one yet, setting it up is pretty straightforward and won't take much time at all. So, you're logged in and looking at the dashboard. From this dashboard, you have several options at your fingertips. You can create a brand new document, you can upload an existing file from your computer, or you can simply paste your text right into the editor. If you want to get the most out of Grammarly's suggestions, you might consider setting your writing goals. This step is optional, but it's quite useful. Here, you have the freedom to define your audience, the formality level of your text, the domain, and even the tone you're aiming for in your writing. Tailoring these options can help Grammarly give you suggestions that are more aligned with what you're aiming to achieve. Next, let's talk about working with your document. Whether you're starting from scratch with a blank canvas by hitting New Document, or choosing to upload a file from your computer, like a docx or txt file, Grammarly is set to help you improve. As you type, or if you've pasted in or uploaded text, Grammarly will get to work automatically, underlining any issues. These underlines are color-coded, helping you quickly identify areas relating to correctness, clarity, engagement, or delivery. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a sidebar. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to suggestions. Clicking on each suggestion card will offer you several choices. If you agree with a suggestion, simply accept it to apply the correction. If you find it unnecessary or incorrect for your context, you can dismiss it. For those curious about the why of each suggestion, clicking Learn More will provide an explanation about the rule being applied. If Grammarly frequently flags a word you wish to keep using, you can add it to your dictionary to prevent it from getting flagged in the future. Now, let's touch briefly on formatting and other features. Grammarly offers the basics. You can make your text bold or italic, create headings, lists, and even insert links. If you've uploaded a file, most formatting will generally be preserved, though some minor changes might occur. For those of you with a paid account, you have access to additional powerful tools like plagiarism checking and AI-generated writing suggestions. When you've finished editing, you have a couple of choices for finalizing your document. You can download it back to your computer, keeping it in its original format if it was uploaded, or simply copy the edited text. If you're interested in document statistics, you can check out the overall score section to see things like your word count and readability score. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to using the Grammarly editor. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, happy writing.